Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your theme on your Shopify store. Really simply, you need to log in first, and once you're logged in, over here on the left hand side you've got online store. You're going to click on this. Now once the next page here loads, where it says here current theme is Dawn, from here you're going to go down to where it says here add theme, and then you're going to visit the theme store. If you have your own file, obviously you can also upload it or connect it from GitHub, but we're going to click on theme store visits. And then once this page here loads, you're taken to this page here. So you can obviously go over to collections over here. Probably you're going to be starting with the free theme. So if you click on explore free themes, and as you scroll down, you've got a few different options here. So you've got refresh, you've got crave, color block, Dawn. Dawn is probably the most popular and probably the most recognized worldwide because that's the one that you will start with. So this is always a safe bet to start with. However, again, depending on what your taste is and what product you're going to be selling, there are custom themes that will probably suit that product maybe just a little bit better. They're all usually customized in the same way, but this is how you change your theme on Shopify. Now, if you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.